Jesse's saying there's a gator, and I don't do gators. We hit a bump with a little bitty stroller. I was trying to get a little bit of them in the video here.
I got my gun.
That is not a gun.
See that stuff over there? I'm not going in there. And it's dark, and then it's spooky as all get out.
This is where it gets a little Hello, baby. Jesse's saying there's a gator, and I don't do gators.
Every time I see them sticking
Oh, this one's there's the stop here. Right there.
somebody died.
Somebody's been here. Okay. Right there's another stop. There's another.
Yeah, I've done one pass. Let's just go now.
We're making a documentary. Anything happens,
Documenting us going through here.
if anything happens to us. See, you're not supposed to go this way.
Don't throw my gun.
Nobody will let you go there.
There's 12 of us in the woods. In case that many don't come back out.
I'm having a fun time.
Another broken bridge.
I see it.
There's caution. Like go in the alligator boardwalk, gator walk that we did.
The Rotten Bridge?
Yeah.
I said, no, they didn't go across the Rotten Bridge.
There's 2 or 3 rotten bridges.
You know, so there ain't no way they went down the Rotten Bridge.
We got video of it.
There is a whole bunch of rotten bridges. They went and it went nothing but water. I'm like, I hope we don't fall through. I said, y'all don't look down. Did you read the sign?
Hey, Dad, can we go down there and see all
Well,
the
there's a sign
rotten
on the side there, a big sign that says the bridges are rotten.
And there's tape that says caution.
Yeah.
And it's been broken. We
I
went
said,
across.
ain't no way Mama went across them bridges.
I did. I
Oh,
turned
well,
around backwards and we were gone.
She went first.
And they,
Please stay off of bridges and towers due to rotten and slippery wood.
I didn't read that. And
There was a tower, was a tower in there?
Yeah, they got a picture of Faith on top of it.
Oh, really? Please stay off of bridges and towers. I said, well, surely Amy follows the directions and the rules, and she didn't go across the bridge.
Do you see what the sign says? Behind that sign? It says
Don't come at night. It's right here at the front door.
She tested it and said, oh, we can go across this.
Please stay off bridges and towers.
right here. Look at this. Brian, take a picture.
We all survived.
Woo, I'm hot and sweaty. Woo.
Hey, baby. One.